we divide 405 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 20 means 40. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 405 divided by 2 is 202 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.